Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to use time tracking in Asana app. So here I'm going to teach you how to use to add the time tracking here at your Asana app. So as of now, doesn't have a time tracking. So yeah, doesn't have a time tracking here at your what do you call this the Asana app. So all we need to do to add some time tracking here at the Asana app, all we need to do is add an extension, a browser extension right here. So I recommend you using is Clockify. As you can see, the title of the video is how to use time tracking as an app, Clockify. So all you need to do is you need to create yourself a Clockify account right here. Right now, I don't haven't created one, but all you need to do is just press on sign up free. Then you just need to continue with Google. Continue with Google right there, and continue. There you go, as you can see right there. Then just click on agree. We're gonna put in we're gonna put JJ and continue. There you go. There you go. As you see right now, this will pop up after your downloading that of doing that. Now all you need to do is go to your web store, then type in Clockify. See, Clockify. There you go. Clockify time tracker. Press on that right there. Then press on add to Chrome. Add extension. There you go. Now so we go here. It's gonna. Oh, that's not it. There you go. There goes another extension right here. Now if you want to start it, just press it right there. There you go. Like a project, something, whatnot, and there. Now we're gonna add the task, like for example right here. We're gonna do this one right here. So, for example, right this one right here. Now we're just gonna oopsie. Yeah, jump in the time. There we go. Clockify right now. We're just gonna log in. Let's see. There you go. As you can see, now we have ourselves a timer right there. Hey guys, now as you can see right now, we just spin this and we just refresh our Asana. Let's refresh my Asana right here because this won't show up. So I refresh it twice. So yeah, this for example, your once you download that and put that there, and this doesn't show up, all you need to do is just restart your Asana app. Yeah, this the Asana here at your browser, then this will pop up a start timer right here. Sometimes it just bugs a bit, so yeah, I suggest restarting it. Because earlier when I saw it, it was like, wait, why is this why Clockify is not there? So so I just paused the video, then restart it, then it didn't work. Then I restarted it twice, second time, and then it worked. Cause I have the Asana app right here because I did a video on how to download the Asana app. So I have the Asana app right here on my desktop. So whenever I restart it, it wants me to go to the Asana app itself. But we want this video to be in the browser only. So yeah, there you go. Yeah, after doing that, as you can see right now, once you're gonna do the task, you will see start timer right here. As you can see right there. Now once we press on that timer, there you go. As you can see, there you go. Right there. So we have ourselves the timer right here. So whenever we're gonna press on the start timer will now start. There you go. As you see, there you go. So yeah, and when we want to stop it, just press on stop. Then after we're done with the work, Of course, maybe it's complete. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you put the Clockify on your Asana browser. So there. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. And if you have any more question, concerns, you can type it down in the comment section below, and we'll answer you as soon as possible here at Tech Glimpse. And thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.